Today, I'm doing Disney a little differently. No theme park, no lightning lanes, and definitely no shoulder-to-shoulder crowds. I'm spending the day at Disney's Fort Wilderness, where it's more campfire vibes than castle vibes. We're going horseback riding, checking out Tri-Circle D Ranch, grabbing a meal at Trails End, and then taking a chill walking tour around the marina, gift shop, and the resort grounds. If you've ever wanted a day at Disney that feels slower and calmer, then this one's for you. Just be aware, Disney has very strict guidelines regarding horseback riding activities. There's no cameras, no phones, not even a personal backpack. The only reason I have this footage is because my husband got off his horse before me and he was able to grab his phone really quickly and take some footage. This is a missed opportunity for PhotoPass. I think people would really love to have legitimate photos and videos during this activity. If interested, check out Disney's Vacation Club cabins at Fort Wilderness. They are unique and brand new. The Hoop-de-Doo Review is the longest running dinner show in America. I had heard about Trails End food for a very long time, and I was so excited to check this out for myself. The first thing that impressed me was the amount of food that I received for the price. We got a full skillet with 3 different types of protein: fried chicken, ribs, and pulled pork, as well as beans, mashed potatoes, and cornbread. And you could have gotten additional sides if you chose, but that was plenty of food for me. I'm not a big fried chicken person, but this was delicious. It was crispy, it was light, it wasn't greasy. And then let's talk about these ribs. When you pull the bone away from the rib, you know you're in for a good time. Oh, I went to work on these ribs. They were delicious. I didn't even need barbecue sauce. It was crispy, tender, full of flavor. Oh, and if I'm licking my fingers, you know it had to be good. With a full belly, it's time to go explore the resort and burn off some of those calories. Love the Christmas decoration. Even at the campground, they got into the holiday spirit. It was nice to see that they had a beach and some chairs for relaxing and enjoying the Seven Seas Lagoon. They offer fireworks cruises and bass fishing excursions. I had no idea. This resort also offers unique transportation to the Magic Kingdom Resort by boat. And of course, they still have the traditional bus service, but being able to take a boat, that's really unique. Oh, and we got to see a sneak peek of the latest Disney resort that's being constructed, Lakeshore Lodge, opening in 2027. All these people are on their way to the Magic Kingdom. Have fun, guys. Birds? What? I'm sorry, did you say you want to collaborate with That's Just Some Bird? I'm sure that can be arranged. If you know, you know. Time to check out some unique Disney merchandise at the Settlement Trading Post. If you're looking for unique resort themed merchandise, check out the gift shops at your actual resort. You will find things that are specific to your resort and not just the typical Disney merchandise that you can find anywhere else throughout the Disney theme parks. This is a Disney Vacation Club, so they do offer food so that you can cook in your actual cabins or in your resort campground. It was time to ring in the new year, and they were already prepared with 2026 merchandise. Then we made our way over to Tri-Circle D Ranch. This is where they keep all of the actual horses. And let me tell you, it is beautiful and decorated for the holidays too. I was amazed. Even the trash cans are themed. For those that may not know, Walt Disney was very much into trains and horses, and this beautiful stable is dedicated to all of the beautiful, incredible horses that are used throughout the Walt Disney Resort. You can really get up close and personal with some of these horses and get a good view of them. They are absolutely beautiful. Who knows, you may end up riding on one of them out on the trails. And the ponies, I'm sorry, who does their hair? Look at that braiding technique. I wish I could braid that well. And the beautiful saddles. Look at that leather and that craftsmanship. Alright, be honest. Would you ever do a Disney trip where Fort Wilderness is the main event and the theme parks are optional? If you've stayed here before, drop your best tip in the comments. And if you haven't, does this look like somewhere you would visit? If you enjoyed this slower, less crowded Disney day, hit subscribe to Patio Passport for more travel days just like this.